Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. This one's gonna be a bit impromptu because I just got a mystery box from Google and Yeelight. They told me they're going to send me something. I don't know what it is at the moment, but let's just open it and see what we have. This is gonna be as much of a surprise to you guys as it is to me. I can hear some stuff that's rattling inside. Not too sure what it is, but I kind of have a good idea about what it is. Alright, we got a nice little piece of paper saying we light up your life. And of course some instructions. Oh, we have the Google Nest Hub 2. This is the second gen, compatible with smart devices such as the Yeelight. So we're going to test it out apparently. Oh, we have some nice stickers as well. Sorry, I got distracted. Yep, so this whole mystery box was sponsored by Google and Yeelight, but they didn't sponsor this video, so I'll give you guys some honest opinions about this product. And yes, we have some really cool stickers. Look at that, a Google sticker, Yeelight stickers, and some other cute ones over here. Oh, that's always very nice. And of course, we have the Nest Hub 2, second gen, with the 7-inch display. And of course, we also have a smart light bulb from Yeelight. If I'm not wrong, I have this one already that's installed in my kitchen. You guys can go check out that video. I'll put it in this corner. I don't know which corner, but check out that video. And I covered the whole video testing this light bulb out and showing you guys all the features. So yes, thank you Yeelight for this light bulb. I'm gonna add one more to my home. And of course, ooh, Nest Hub. Now this is the first time I actually have a Nest Hub. I've been using the Google Home, which has been really good for me, but now it's great that I have something with an actual screen. I think this will really help me when it comes to monitoring all the smart devices at home. And yes, having a screen gives you a lot more control rather than just your voice. Gives you some visuals as well, and easy to control music, and potentially play some media on it as well. Ooh, all right, here we go. Of course, this video isn't going to be a comprehensive review of this product because I just got it. I need time to research and stuff. But I might do a video to test this out and give you guys my honest opinion about it. But let's just take a look and get some first reactions on this thing. So right out of the box, really nice protective layer on it, and it looks pretty cool. I like the fabric that it comes with. This fabric is the same one as the original Google Home. Has a very nice, comfortable texture on it, so it doesn't look too tacky. It looks more homely. And if I'm not wrong, this has it's in some kind of incline. I don't know how many degrees exactly, but seems pretty convenient for you to just use simple things like that. Alright, this is the best part. I want to peel off this sticker so badly. I'm not one of those people who likes to keep around the protective layer of things, so off with that. And there we go. Alright, so first of all, the app, really great, tells you everything you need to know about the Google Nest Hub. So first of all, it has some new ambient EQ light sensor, so I guess that helps to blend the brightness a bit better in your atmosphere. If it's bright outside, it might, brighten the screen so you can see it better. If it's dark, it'll lower the brightness so it's not too glaring. So that's always good. Change the volume. There's a volume control on the back. So that's pretty good. So the volume control on the back gives you a bit more manual control if you need some very quick action to just lower the volume if it's too loud. The mic switch. Oh, so there's an on and off for the mic switch. That's what that one was for. This is a mic switch. I thought this was the power on button for the whole device. Alright, so the mic switch, I can turn it on and off.
The mic's off.
The mic is off. Alright, so that's pretty convenient, especially if you have people going around saying, hey, and you don't want all your devices to wake up at the same time. So this is a pretty unique feature. So other than that, I think everything's well set up, but I'm going to take a few days to just figure this whole device out, and probably I might do a review of this. But thank you Google and Yeelight for sending this out to me. As always, do check out the previous review I did of the M2 light bulb. This is one of the more cooler light bulbs that I've had. It has so many different colors, really easy to connect to the Google ecosystem, and it's working really great right now in my kitchen. And yes, just one more light bulb to add to my home. Really thankful for that. So thank you Yeelight for this bulb. And yes, this is the new Google Nest Hub 2. go check out the website on Google to find out more information, or stay tuned to my full review. But that's all I have for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this really quick unboxing of this mystery box, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.